So, very good morning, guys, or afternoon. Labor Day. Happy Labor Day for everyone who's watching from the US. We have a public holiday, and therefore the stock market keeping being closed today. However, we have a couple of nice news out there, and therefore obviously our regular live stream is coming out this morning. So make sure to smash your keyboard, let me know where you are watching from, and let's dive directly into the agenda of today. So definitely we will talk about some new members that joined over the weekend, guys. This is always highly appreciated. Then we have some breaking news, and then we will talk about some stocks on sale, guys, okay? Because we had a sell-off towards end of the last week, and the new week ahead is already starting, and we have some couple of interesting things coming up. So this is what we will talk today. So let's dive directly in. First, let's welcome our members. All of those became Ultimate Wolf, which is basically, the membership, mentorship with me, with 101 talking about everything what you would like to know. And therefore, I welcome Rush. Shekhar, the second name or username I can't really read, I'm not so familiar, so if someone can help me in the live chat, let me know. And Edwin Romero, so welcome on board. And if you are considering to becoming member as well, then click the join button below all my videos and live streams, and you get all the information that you need to become part of the most exclusive membership out there, okay? So let's go further into US and A. We have Mnuchin, the Treasury Secretary, who is fighting to extend the stimulus. Okay, the stimulus is very important for US citizens, because some of those people were heavily affected through this crisis, and therefore obviously they need this extra money and this extra funds by the government. And this is very important that this will be closed by hopefully this week and extended into early December. So then they would have a couple of months time to really make sure that everyone is safe and sound with this extra money from the government. And this is very important that those people who are heavily affected getting this money, okay? Because think about that the economy is so established that people really need the money to spend it, okay? So if we don't have consumption in an economy, then you don't have this demand, and then obviously you have to reduce the offer as well. If the offer is being reduced, then the companies need to people lay off. So it's like a circle of very negative effects if we don't have spending customers on the streets, okay? And therefore it's so important to get those dollars to these consumers to keep the system running, guys. Yeah, this is very important. And when the week will start tomorrow, we have two growth companies that will give us earnings. We have Peloton which is, you know, an absolute winner of this crisis. They just keep on growing, and there's so many people out there that are using their products into the stay home economy right now. And therefore I believe that Peloton will surprise us with a very, very fantastic Q2 numbers. Then we will have Slack as well. Slack is you know, something like WhatsApp, but a little bit more a little bit more professional, I would say. You know, you can work some groups out, and then you can share some files and so on. So it's much more than a WhatsApp, and it's fantastic to work with. I used it by myself already as well, and therefore, you know, I can only recommend that because it's quite interesting. So on the other side, we have people from US watching. And then we have also people from UK watching, I have seen in the comments. So let's have a look where you are guys are watching from. So we have Hong Kong, we have Netherlands, we have, what we have here, Canada, we have Hawaii, we have Lithuania, we have California, we have New Jersey, we have Newfoundland, we have London, our member Mario, then we have... what else? Australia as well. We have Glasgow as well. We have people saying that Virgin Galactic is having their first test flights in the Q3, and that's right. On the 22nd of October, we will see a power test flight of Virgin Galactic. So there's definitely, you know, a next step by step moving forward with Virgin Galactic, even though it seems sometimes, you know, there's no further development, but there's so much happening behind the scenes for Virgin Galactic. So you should be only thinking how to put now those dollars to work in this very, very much discounted Virgin Galactic stock. Okay, then we have Asia, obviously, and Sweden, then people from the UK, and we have Finland here, our AP member, that's very appreciated, and then Ireland as well. So as you can see, very much international as of this morning. So moreover, let's have a look into the Brexit tensions. Okay, as you know, the UK exited the European Union, and now it's all about making new trade deals, right? And well, there's some tension between those or within those developments into this new trade deal, and therefore the sterling dropped about 0.5 against the US dollars. So as you can see, this is now very interesting, similar to the situation in US with China, with the trade deal. Now the Great Britain needs to make a trade deal with all other European Union not companies, but countries, and therefore you can see that this can bring us some more volatility into the sterling and the currency market. Yeah. Then let's have a look into Asia. So Asia is negative as of this moment, or just before the live stream started. I just checked it out. So Nikkei in Japan is 0.5% in the negative. Then Shanghai is 2% negative, and the HSI is also a 0.5% negative as of this morning. So further, we have something that I wanted to share with you guys. Because once you have this bull markets, where we definitely in, right? You are maybe scared these corrections are really affecting us mentally as well as emotionally, and we say, wow, why the stock market at this particular moment will go down or is going down. And looking at this graphic here, you can see that in those latest bull markets, okay, we are definitely seeing those pullbacks. And as you can see, the 2020 bull market is having 5% or more pullbacks over the last couple of months. The same we had with the 2009 bull market. We had the 2002 bull market that we had 4 pullbacks, 1987 also 4 pullbacks, and 1982 also 2 pullbacks. So it's totally normal, guys, that we have this opportunity on buying stocks for lower. And how much lower we can get those stocks, let's have a look into the stocks that actually went down. But before that, make sure to thumb up this live stream if you liked it, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny. I'm posting there also a lot of things that come on my mind, and therefore I'm super excited if you join me there as well. And as you can see here, guys, I have a second channel there you should follow as well, because starting in October, so just a couple of weeks from now, we can have more and more content even on my second channel. So it's important that you subscribe already and ring the bell. All right, and then let's talk about those stocks that are impacted by the current sell-off. Okay, so let's have a look into the S&P 500 first. So as you can see here, from recent, and we put the 1 week chart here of the S&P 500. So from the recent highs, we are in the S&P 500 -4, and you have to also understand the indexes are usually the ones that are not that much volatile as certain stocks. So let's say $4 on $100, so 4% is our benchmark to seeing which stocks have heavily went on sale. And therefore let's start with space. And as you can see here, from recent lows from the 18 levels, we are down 12%. So this is a good opportunity right now here to buy space, Virgin Galactic stock below 16. Absolute fantastic. You know, I rather buy it below 16 than for 25 or 27, guys. I will be super honest with you. Then we have Tesla from recent highs, which was the 500 mark, right? Intraday we hit the 500 number, and since then we have an 16, almost 17% sale on Tesla right now, right? So if you want to invest long-term into Tesla, I think that this is a great opportunity here. Beyond Meat, another one that we are talking about quite regularly here, from the recent highs, also could save much up, but you know, 8.5% is not bad. Then we had the one day where we had a really nice price target for Beyond Meat, and since then we lost about 10-11%. So this is not that much of a big sale like Space or Tesla. But let's have a look into the Amazon, the more profound, more mature companies. They are just have lost 6.6%. So as you can see here, also here, not that much of a discount yet. If this continues over the next couple of days or even weeks, right, then definitely these stocks are losing even more. Apple here from the recent highs about 11% lower. And one of the big winners the last days is Carnival, right? So Carnival actually in the last whole week could gain about 10%. We talked about it, that this is one of my favorite comeback stocks for the health crisis. Also, Lufthansa could gain a couple of percentage last week, which is also one of my nicest comeback stocks here. But still, obviously, the airline business is so unsecure, and it's very hard to say what will happen with the airlines in the next couple of weeks and months to come. Okay, so let's have a look into the comments, guys. So here's people are saying they bought at 503, so they have to now wait until or buy more, right? If your favorite stock is now a discount, buying the dip is always something very, very interesting, guys. Okay, so then what else do we have? We have the people that just bought more Tesla, obviously using the pullback here. Mario is saying, don't forget the like up. This is obviously highly appreciated if you like up this stream. And then we have here people buying more space, and I bought as well more space. I will buy more space in the mid of this month as well. I'm super happy that they are going actually down, because don't want to buy that much expensive, and it's easier to 10x your money if the stock is going lower, right? Because then we will have the breakout if everything goes as planned, and then we can easily or more easy get our money 10 times than if the stock is higher, obviously, right? So other than that, we have people from Latvia, from Norway, from Iraq. So very, very much appreciated, the guys, that you are going in. And Philip Engelman just gave me a super chat of €1. Thank you very much for that. And what platform do you use to invest your stocks? So I invest with my German bank. All right. So, but I heard in Europe there's great platforms like 212 Trading. I don't have any affiliate with anyone, so I just heard that this is quite interesting and easy to use. So check it out if you want to invest in Europe. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. I think this is on an off day a great way to catch up with the market. Thank you very much for tuning in. Subscribe if you're a new one. And I see you in just a couple of hours with my daily vlog. So super excited about that as well. Thank you very much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a fantastic Labor Day with your family, with your friends. I hope you just enjoy it and you have fantastic weather. So thank you very much, and I see you later.